story of a pirate's dream. What is One Piece? One Piece is a Japanese anime and manga. It is about pirates, adventures, and dreams. The story follows a young boy named Monkey D. Luffy. He wants to become the king of the pirates. But to do that he must find the greatest treasure in the world, the One Piece. The beginning of the adventure. Luffy is not an ordinary boy. When he was a child he ate a special fruit called the gum gum fruit. This fruit gave him the power to stretch his body like rubber. But there is a problem. He can never swim again. Even with this weakness, Luffy is very happy. He dreams of a life full of adventure. He wants to find a crew and sail across the Grand Line, a dangerous sea where the One Piece is hidden. Luffy's crew, the Straw Hat Pirates. Luffy does not travel alone. He meets many friends who join his crew. Zoro, a swordsman who fights with 3 swords. He dreams of becoming the strongest swordsman in the world. Nami, a smart navigator who loves maps and treasures. At first she only cares about money, but later she becomes a loyal friend. Usopp, a storyteller and sniper. He is sometimes scared, but he wants to be a brave warrior of the sea. Sanji, a great cook who loves to fight with kicks. He never lets anyone go hungry. Chopper, a small reindeer who can change his form. He is also a doctor who helps the crew. Robin, a woman who can read ancient texts. She is looking for the true history of the world. Frankie, a shipbuilder who makes strong ships. He is half man, half machine. Brook, a living skeleton who loves music. He is a swordsman and a funny friend. Jinbe, a fishman warrior. He is strong and wise and he helps Luffy reach his dream. Together they are the Straw Hat Pirates. They travel the world, fight enemies and grow stronger. The world of One Piece. The world of One Piece is full of mystery. There are many islands, each with its own people, animals, and dangers. There is also the world government, a powerful organization that controls the seas. The Marines work for them and they try to stop pirates. But not all pirates are bad. Some, like Luffy, want freedom and adventure. Others, like Blackbeard, are dangerous and cruel. There are also the warlords, strong pirates who work with the government. And the Yonko, the 4 strongest pirates in the world. Luffy must face them all to reach his dream. The Grand Line in the One Piece. The Grand Line is the most dangerous sea. It has strong storms, giant monsters, and powerful enemies. But it also hides the biggest treasure, the One Piece. This treasure was left by Jewel de Roger, the greatest pirate of all time. Before he died he said, "My treasure? It's yours if you want it. Find it. I left everything in one place." These words started the Great Pirate Era. Many pirates try to find the One Piece. But only one will become the king of the pirates. The themes of One Piece. One Piece is not just about fights. It is a story about friendship, dreams, and never giving up. Luffy always believes in his friends. He helps people who are in trouble. He never lets anyone stop him from following his dream. This is why so many people love One Piece. It teaches us to be brave, to never stop chasing our dreams, and to believe in our friends. Why you should watch One Piece. One Piece is one of the most popular anime in the world. It has over 1,000 episodes, but every episode is full of adventure and excitement. If you love action, comedy, and strong friendships, One Piece is perfect for you. It will take you on an amazing journey across the sea. So, are you ready to set sail with Luffy and his crew? The adventure is waiting for you.